Let's set the scene. If you're studying material you want to really remember, not just for the next quiz, but long-term, your choice of study tool matters. Flashcards are still one of the best ways to reinforce memory, but the platform you use changes how well you'll retain and how easily you'll stick to it. Quizlet and Anki are two of the most popular flashcard apps out there, and they cater to somewhat different needs. First up, Quizlet. Quizlet is very user-friendly. You can jump in, create sets, or pick from millions of pre-made flashcards. It supports images, audio, and has multiple study modes like flashcards, matching games, writing tests, and more. It's designed for easygoing studying, for high schoolers, language learners, or anyone who wants to rev things up quickly without deep setup. The interface is modern. The mobile app is sleek, and it makes sharing and collaborating easy. On the flip side, Quizlet's memory algorithm is less advanced compared to Anki's spaced repetition engine. While it does have adaptive learning features, the depth of scheduling for long-term retention is not as refined. Now let's talk about Anki. Anki is built around a rigorous spaced repetition system. What that means, cards you know well show less often. Cards you struggle with appear more frequently. Over time, this scheduling is optimized to push you right when you're about to forget, which boosts long-term memory retention. It's highly customizable. You can create complex card types with advanced formatting, images, audio, even LaTeX for technical subjects. But the trade-off: Anki has a steeper learning curve, the interface is less polished, and setup takes more work. If you just want to jump in and study casually, it might feel heavy initially. In summary, both tools are excellent, and your choice depends on how you study and what you aim to remember. If I were picking for high-retention, long-term learning, I'd lean Anki. If I were picking for frequent short bursts of study or collaborative review, I'd lean Quizlet. Whatever you pick, the best tool is the one you'll use consistently.